The risk of fire around aircraft in a war zone is ever present. The 1953 R2 crash rescue truck might be small for a fire truck, but its official name, Truck, Fire, Airplane, Forcible Entry Type R2, is not. This rare vehicle was crafted specifically for military aircraft rescue by AFC Brill on a Dodge M56 chassis. While the larger foam trucks would cut through the flames to clear a path, the R2's job was to provide the extraction and rescue tools needed to access and save trapped personnel. It did, however, carry a small 20-gallon supply of bromochloromethane, a specialized extinguishing agent which allowed teams to take localized action in their final steps to reach and rescue victims.